With final exams looming, students everywhere search for the most effective ways to prepare. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore step-by-step strategies to help you maximize your studying efforts and achieve your best performance. First, begin by organizing your study materials. Gather your textbooks, class notes, and any supplementary resources. Having everything in one place can save time and reduce stress. Next, create a detailed study schedule. Break down your subjects into manageable sections, dedicating specific time slots to each topic. Prioritize based on the topics you're less confident in, and balance your schedule to avoid burnout. Now it's time to dive into study techniques. One proven strategy is active recall. Instead of passively reading your notes, quiz yourself on the material. This engages your memory more effectively. Additionally, spaced repetition is a powerful technique. Review information multiple times with increasing intervals. This method helps in long-term retention of knowledge. As you study, cultivate effective habits. Eliminate distractions by creating a dedicated study space. Turn off notifications and avoid social media. Regular breaks are essential to maintain focus. Follow a study session with short intervals to rest your mind and body. Hydration is also crucial, so keep water handy. To illustrate these tips, we show a student organizing materials, sketching out a study schedule, and breaking down subjects into sections. You'll see animations demonstrating active recall and spaced repetition techniques, emphasized with text overlays to highlight key tips. Real-world examples of students studying in various settings such as libraries, study rooms, and at home provide relatable and practical insights. The visuals are professional, inspiring, and practical, designed to motivate and guide you through the exam preparation process.